When are we gonna find somewhere to sleep? Soon, don't worry. Oh my gosh, y'all walk so slow. Why were you behind us if we walk so slow then? I was behind y'all because y'all were walking slow. Okay, it doesn't matter. We just have to find somewhere to sleep for now. I can find somewhere. Follow me. I can find somewhere. Follow me. It's not much, but it'll do. Move over. I'm so tired I could sleep a whole moon. Come on, Cleo. We ought to get to sleep as well. Oh, yeah, I'm going. Oh, goodness. What are y'all waking up so early for? This might sound like a stupid idea, but I kind of really want to go investigate the police, dogs, station department, or whatever it is. Yeah, I don't know if that's a good idea. I think it's worth a shot. Fine, let's go. Wait for me. Guys, I can't even see 2 inches in front of me. Yeah, no one can. Just try and jump it. I can see if I can, then I'll lead y'all out. Alright. Okay, I jumped over it. This better be worth the shot. Ugh, I hated that so much. Look out! Oh. Gosh, you weigh like 5 tons. That hurt really bad. Oh my gosh. Both of you get up, I have to check for broken ribs. I think I'm fine, Cleo. Get over it. Yeah, you're fine. Cleo, I think my shoulder landed on a rock. Oh goodness, turn over. Oh, that's bad. Oh gosh, hold on. I think I saw some yarrow over there somewhere. Let me go try and grab.
I'm sorry, gang, there was a bee.
No, yes. I'm gonna squeeze this into it. It's gonna hurt a little bit. I don't care, just do it. Ow! Oh my goodness, Cleo, are you okay? I'm so sorry. Yeah, I'm fine. Your wound should be alright now. That's a relief. Come on, let's get going. Alright, let's go. Keep that psychopath of a dog away from me. Calm down. Would you shut up? Come on, we don't want to mess with that freak show. Yeah, you're right. Shelly, please listen to me. Those brats aren't worth running away for. I'm sorry, Lucky. I'm leaving tonight. Please, at least take me with you. It'll be too dangerous. I can't risk your safety like that. I don't care how dangerous. I'm a flippin' police dog. Yeah, well, I'm your flippin' best friend. Exactly, so I should be able to come with you. You're not gonna be able to. Like I said, it's too dangerous, Lucky. I can't risk it. Well, I'm coming with you. Alright. Did you hear that? Those 2 females are leaving tonight. Don't you think we should help them? They'd probably be scared out of their paws of us. Actually, if I went to them first, they probably wouldn't be so scared. Yeah, well, we can see what happens. For now, we should probably just find somewhere else to sleep. follow me. Now this is eerily dark. Yeah, well, it's the best you're gonna get for tonight. Let's get to bed. Psst, Shelly. What is it, Lucky? Aren't we gonna, like, run away? Oh, yeah, that. I already have an escape route. Follow me. Okay. It's super duper dark outside. Yeah, I know, I can't barely see 2 steps in front of me. And finally the moon's out. It'll get covered again soon. We need to go. All I have to do is jump this wall. It'll lead into a pit, so it'll hurt a little bit. I really don't mind right now. Alright, let's go. Let's see, that's the pit. All I have to do is jump over this wall and run into that. Don't whine. I'm not gonna. Please don't. Okay, come on, Lucky. Oh, that hurt. Told you not to whine though, let's get going. Okay, I'm going. I think we'll be safe in here. Come on. These ferns are so tall. Ugh. Shelly! Whoa. Oh, it's 2 dogs. What's happening? Oh. What do you... Oh. You know, it was just the slightest bit eerie whenever every single one of y'all said, oh, whenever you woke up. What are you doing here? Apollo. Hello, Shelly and Lucky. How do you know our names? Oh, well, we just have been overhearing some of y'all's conversations about escaping the dog pound or wherever y'all are. Like you 3 ragtag bandits possibly could help us. You know, if you really want to know, I'm from Arthelia. Why is that relevant to the conversation? Me and my brother are princes. Well, guess what? I'm a police dog. Don't get feisty with me. Oh, you know what? She would never, right, Shelly? What are you talking about? That is the Prince Graham. Don't let me ask you this question if you're so prince-like. But are you Prince Graham and that's Prince Apollo? Well, someone finally knows our names. My name is Lucky and this is Shelly. Yeah, I've heard. Don't mind me saying this, please, but if you want to survive, I'd recommend coming with us. Is that a threat, Fox? No, it's just that we've escaped from Arthelia all the way here, and it's been a few miles, a few months, and we just want to make sure that you are safe. I think we can take care of ourselves very much. No, thank you very much. We'd be honored to join your little ragtag group of bandits. Well, we're heading off right now anyways, so it's your lucky day. Yeah, my luck looks so much better than this. Keep up, Shelly. Tell me to keep up one more time. Gladly. You're so weird. Oh, well, thank you. Hey, Cleo, could you go ahead a little bit? I need to talk to my brother for something. Yeah, sure. Just make sure you're following behind. What's up, Prince Apollo? No, I think I really like Shelly. Then go try and talk to her. Yeah, you're right. Hey, Shelly. You know, Graham. Oh, Cleo. So, how's your day been? It's been good. How about you? Oh, it's been splendiferous. It's been good. You smell like flowers. Really, that's a surprise. I thought I smell like death and gloominess. No, you actually smell like dandelions. Oh, really? I grew up in the savannah, so I don't know why I would have flower smell on me. Oh, I could teach you about some different flowers if you'd like. Yeah, no thanks. Your eyes, they sparkle and they're as blue as a rainy day. What? Is this your attempt at flirting? Well, would you look at that? It's raining. Yeah, which means we should probably find some shelter. Oh, yes, shelter, which could be this way. Has Apollo always been this bad at flirting? Even worse. Come on, we're sleeping in a dog pile tonight. Oh, okay, I'm gonna go and try and find something to eat. Alright, just don't take too long. I'll come with you if you need any help. Oh, yeah, please do. I think this will do nicely. Have you ever even tasted horse meat? No, but I can try. Do you know how to hunt? No, but I can try. Well, shut up. Keep your paws soft and swift. And murder violently. Sure, why not? It's getting away! Ow! Lucky! I'll come back. Lucky! Lucky, are you alright? Yeah, will be. Goodness, the horse bled a lot. You think we could drag the carcass all the way back? Can sure try. Dinner has been served. How delicious. Horse blood, my favorite. Oh, I might just go get myself some berries. No, good catch, you two. Yeah, I took being a bloody mess seriously. Well, what are you guys waiting for? Take on in. Well, I think we ought to go to bed now. Maybe we should move spots, because there's blood everywhere. Yeah, let's go. Looks like someone was just here. King Tiberia is not going to be happy. They just ate disgustingly as well. The blood's still warm. Well, clearly foreigners. They would have known that they're not allowed to eat horse meat. We ought to keep the blood on track. I think we could follow it if one of them was bleeding. It's raining. We ought to sleep. Looking for those 3 punks hasn't been easy.